Hey guys, Opie here. Welcome back to my Brew City Garden. Hey, real quick, I just want to give you some tips. So there's a problem that you're probably going to run into about halfway through the season. Sometimes it'll happen quicker than others. What happens is your bale starts to break down and it gets loose. And if you notice, this bale is kind of starting to tip over. Almost looks like it wants to fall over. We can fix that, and I'm going to show you how right now. All right, guys, what we want to do is find the string on the bales. You notice how loose that got compared to what it was when you first got the bale? I mean, that's a lot of room. So what I'm going to do is take an old stick that I pulled off the tree out back. I'm just going to put it inside the string, and I'm going to twist it. I'm going to twist it up nice and tight. This might take a second here. And once I got it relatively tight, I'm just going to turn that stick into the bale and push it in. And that's going to help keep that thing from unraveling on you. Now we'll do the same thing for the bottom string, and then I'll show you what comes next. Okay guys, and here's another problem you might run into, is the jute twine will break when you're trying to tighten it up, so you might want to be gentle. Now what I did this year when I first got my bales was I put my own nylon twine on them. And because I'd seen this happen, and it's happened to me in years before, and I knew it was going to probably happen to me again this year. So I'm going to also utilize this nylon twine to tighten up. This stuff will not break. Okay, so now I've got these strings nice and tight. The bale's tight again. Once I take care of that, what I want to do is I want to come and I want to grab the bale from both sides, pull it back into position, and just give it a squish. Don't worry, your plants will be fine. In fact, they're going to thank you for it, because what you're doing is you're compressing that bale into the roots, and you're going to get much better contact of the roots with the bale, and that plant's going to be a lot happier. You may need to adjust this bale again sometime throughout the season, but for now this is great. These plants are going to thrive, and that's how you fix a loose bale that's about to tip over on you. All right guys, we'll see you.